this is the first oxygen sensor off from the front exhaust, and it's attached by a little clamp here, which this clamp goes just below that one. That's the second oxygen sensor, which is located just above the battery, and it goes all the way there to the back exhaust. Those two oxygen sensors are disconnected, and now we're going to look how to take off the exhaust from the other side. On the other side, I already have removed the heat shields from both exhausts, so now we need to remove those or loosen those flanges. Right guys, so this is the Sportster 48 without exhaust, right? What I need to do next is to remove those gaskets here and the back exhaust gasket as well, because they look well worn down. That's the exhaust I took off from it, which is a Screaming Eagle exhaust, which I didn't particularly like. So it wasn't that difficult. The most difficult was to loosen the old screws, but I did it. And also this bracket for this particular exhaust got additionally couple of screws underneath, so they also need to be unbolted. So altogether it was about 2, 4, 6, that was 8 screws, and then it's off. So far so good. The next stage is to remove those little metal bits which holds everything together, and then go together with the flanges. I'm going to use my hand for it. It doesn't look that difficult actually. Alright, so that is off now, right? And then that is off. That goes here. We're going to leave it for later on. As you can see here, those gaskets are completely run down, so I'm going to replace them with the set of new ones I was sent with my Cobra exhaust. I'm not sure how difficult it's going to be to remove those guys. They are almost completely sealed here. Look at that, it's so difficult. I'm trying to do it gently, but it's easy saying. It's difficult to do actually. Okay guys, so first gasket is in. I wouldn't say it's perfect, but I'm hoping when I put the exhaust in, it just put a little bit more pressure on it. And then I'm going to do the same with the back exhaust. I need to remove the almost non-existing gasket which melted and replace it with a new one. I've got again another one which I was sent originally with the exhaust, but also just in case I got additionally couple of them just in case if I messed up something. So hopefully I'll be alright. Right, I tell you, I don't know what that is, but I already think I've got that one quite easily. Yeah, so I don't know if I sort of get used to it or what, but this one was much easier to remove. Right guys, so as I mentioned before, the gaskets were bitches, absolute bitches. Equally, it was difficult to remove the old one as well as put the new one. Now I've done it, so now another part which is going to involve of removing the forward controls and also the cover to be able to remove this old bracket from there. Okay, so in order to remove the cover, I need to undo those 3 screws. This one, that one, and that one over here. In order to do it, the easiest way is to remove the forward control link. Hopefully that will work fine. What I also forgot to tell you is that in order to remove the forward control link, you have to also unbolt the front of the control, which I'm going to do now. Okay, so forward control's off. Now I'm getting really scared because I'm hoping I'm going to be able to put it back together. Right guys, moment of truth. Finally removed the forward control, and now I'm removing the cover, so yay, happy day. So now I'm going to check if I can unbolt this bracket and if my new bracket is actually matching it. So original bracket is going. So this is it. Yeah, that is gone. Alright guys, so the new bracket is on. Luckily it matched all right. It has been bolted to the bike by 3 bolts from the original stock. It looks solid, looks nice. Right guys, that's it for today. So basically I was able to remove the old exhaust, and I was able to replace the gaskets and also put the new bracket on. So tomorrow I'm going to crack on, and finally I'm going to do the exciting part, which is placing back the Cobra exhaust. So hopefully tomorrow everything will go smooth, but only time will show. So see you around.